Hi, Sarah Banas here, Learn to Craft, quick, easy craft tutorials. I'm going to show you today how to size digital gems egg holders. So these are, a lot of people use the Cadbury eggs. You can also use Reese eggs. You can use plastic eggs. So I'm going to show you how to size them, how to resize the design so that it fits the type of egg that you want to use. This one is my favorite. So I'll link all of these in the description. She has a massive amount of them, super neat ones. Um, this one's super duper cute though. They all are. So I'll link that in the description. I'm also going to link my Facebook group. So join us there. It's Cricut for Beginners. It's about 550,000 members and just a great group. Super friendly, super helpful. You'll fit right in. So join us there. That and the link to all of these egg holders will be in the video description right under the video. There's an arrow down, click that, and that'll open up all of the information for the video with clickable links. Just one other thing real quick before we move forward. Like this video if this is of interest to you or helpful, but also subscribe to my channel. Coming out with new videos at this point, probably once or twice a week. Just lots of fun, interesting ways for you to use your Cricut, both making projects and learning how to design for yourself. So subscribe to the channel and you'll get a notification when the new videos come out. So this is super easy. So I'm going to make this video, this tutorial in two parts. This part is going to be the sizing of the egg for anybody, or for the egg holder for anybody who doesn't know how to do that. And then I'll make an additional video on how to put them together if you don't know how to do that. I'll do them separately so it's not extra information that you don't need. And I'll link the video for how to put them together in the description of this video if you want to see the actual physical building of it. They're super easy though. These are made out of cardstock. I use 65-pound Recollections brand. I'll link that in the video description as well. You can get it on either Amazon or at Michael's. They have tons of colors. The cardstock itself it's not super fibrous, so it doesn't leave like any mess on your mat, and it just cuts really cleanly. So I'll link that in the description. And then all it is the cardstock and just a regular glue stick. I use either Elmer's or off-brand, just a glue stick. So super easy, and they're super cute, and they're really stable too. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to measure the egg that you want to use top to bottom. I'm using a Cadbury egg. The Cadbury eggs in the United States are 2 inches tall. They're not the same for some reason in other countries. I don't know why that is. So measure your egg. Cadbury here is 2.5. I'm sorry, 2. So then what you want to do is you want to take and you want to make a rectangle. Unlock it. And then make it 2 inches tall. You want to make it a little bit thinner, and then make it 2 inches tall. So right here, height on top, right up here, make it 2 inches tall. Okay, so now that's 2 inches tall. So now, while leaving this all attached, so this is all still attached. You can see over here I have all of my layers, and we'll detach that before we cut it. But while we're doing this, we want everything to stay in proportion, right? So what you're attempting to do is you want to get that belly hole, so the belly hole is just smaller than your egg. So take your egg holder and size it up, size it up. Here, we can move this over here. Just need a little bit bigger. Let's try making it just about right. Okay, so that is just about right. Yeah, I think that's good. I think that's good. I'm actually, you know what I'll do? 1 second. I'm gonna make this 8.1, 8.1, 8.2. Let's see what 8.2 does. Obviously, this whole thing isn't 8 inches tall. That's with all of your parts. So you'll see in a second how tall the actual one will be. Okay, so that's perfect right there. So now you can see that egg, let's send this to the back and you'll see. So when that egg is inside of there, it'll sit right inside of there. So it won't fall out of the top and it won't fall out of the bottom. So now this is the perfect size. So that is now ready to cut. Okay, so now what you want to do is ungroup, and now you have it all as separate pieces. Now they're all separate layers. So I would cut this in yellow, this in yellow, this in yellow, right? So I would cut those three in the yellow and yellow cardstock. I would cut this and this in yellow cardstock. You can do it all in cardstock if you want, but I've kind of learned an easier way. So all of that will be cut in cardstock. And then the eyes, what I do with those, because they're smaller, instead of cutting that in cardstock and trying to get the glue on that small part, I just cut these, the really tiny little parts like that. I cut those in self-adhesive vinyl. That way I just pop them on there, super easy. And that's it. That's all there is to it. It's really just a super fun, easy craft, and the kids love them. So like I said, and I'm going to link in the video description the video of me putting this together so you can see it physically put together, but it's super simple. You'll be surprised by how easy it is. I'll link the group. Make sure you join us. You'll love it there. It's such a great group and it's huge. And I'll link the all of the egg holders. There's so many neat ones. I'm also going to do a woodchuck one today. It's super cute. But like the video if it was helpful, and go ahead and subscribe to my channel so you get the notifications. And that's it. I hope you have a good day. Bye.